Hello, you are watching Dr. Akin Clicks and I am Dr. Akin. It's an interesting thing that I want to share with you and a very happy bit of information. I got a message from the health department asking me that I am slotted to get vaccination tomorrow. So I am asked to report at the government health facility to get the first dose of vaccine. As I am a doctor, healthcare worker, I have been prioritized to receive this vaccine. Along with me, my other co-workers, healthcare workers will be receiving the first dose of vaccine. Healthcare workers are given priority for this vaccine because as doctors and paramedical staff, we are constantly exposed to very sick patients in our daily work. So there are chances that we may get exposed to coronavirus. And it is very important that healthcare workers remain healthy, fit and ready to fight the diseases and work for the communities. Therefore, tomorrow I am called, so I will be going with my colleagues to get the first dose of vaccination. And I am also taking this vaccination because I love my family, I love my friends, relatives. Because as healthcare worker, if I am exposed to coronavirus, I may be asymptomatic, but I may transmit this virus to my family members, my friends and relatives whom I come in contact. So I remain healthy, and after I am vaccinated, I be safe for other members of the family. That's why I am also going to get vaccinated tomorrow. Now let's know what is vaccine. I will tell you in very simple terms. First of all, let's begin with what is vaccine. Vaccine is a biological substance which is inoculated to your body. The inoculated biological substance which is in the vaccine can either be a weakened part or a killed part or a small fragment or the genetic code of the disease-causing organism, either DNA or RNA. The biological substance do not cause harm to human body. Vaccine which inoculated to your body, the immune system of the body kickstarts. The immune system produces antibodies. What are antibodies? Antibodies are not tiny protein particle that is specific for specific invading microorganism or virus in this case. These antibodies recognizes these invading microorganisms which is in the vaccine which is inoculated to us as the enemies of the body. Therefore, the body kickstarts the immune process, and the immune process produces antibodies, and antibodies is produced by B cells. These antibodies, they fight with the invading microorganisms which is recognized as enemy of the body. In medical terms, we call as antigens, and they help to neutralize these microorganisms. Next time when the same virus, bacteria or any other disease-causing organism again attacks the body or the person gets exposed to these microorganisms, the memory cells which are B cells and T cells remembers and recognizes these invading disease-causing organisms and quickly and swiftly recognizes them and fights back them as enemy and ward off illness by neutralizing the invading microorganisms. Vaccines are used to protect the population from epidemics, from many diseases, and vaccines do not cause any harm to human body. Except minor adverse reactions like feverish feeling, body ache, which can be easily tackled by the healthcare workers and given relief. Now, vaccines can be used mainly in two types. One is prophylactically it can be used, that is before the disease sets in, to prevent the disease from occurring, like vaccines are given as part of national immunization program, or what we say universal immunization program, like we give to our children by government free of cost: diphtheria, pertussis, tetanus, measles, mumps, rubella, haemophilus influenza, rotavirus, Japanese encephalitis, and against tuberculosis BCG. So this is to prevent the illness to occur, or if at all it occurs, the illness will be of a very, very mild form and it won't be very serious illness. The next is vaccines are used for therapeutic purpose. That is when a disease has already set in, like in case of cancer, the immune system of the body is enhanced by these vaccines, so that the body is able to fight the cancer cells with a more vigor and more energy, and this is called immunotherapy. I will be going to take my vaccines tomorrow, and I will very much bring you again after the injection of the vaccines, and I'll show you and tell you the follow-up of the vaccine and the vaccine process which is going on. Until then, even though we are going to get vaccinated, the complete immune response to set in, it will take time. Even though I have got vaccinated, I will have to continue to behave according to the COVID appropriate behavior till a major portion of our community is vaccinated or the disease has been completely controlled by the population. That's it today, and I will get back to you after the vaccination process. By the way, if you like to get latest updates, please remember to subscribe, like.